Step back from that ledge, my friend.
Oh, okay.
And if you come out to see me again, I would understand.
You would?
There you go. There. Oh, whoa, whoa. There you go. Giving you a hard time, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Wants to pop out in the middle.
There's pins right here.
Alright. All is popping out. There's something stuck in here or something.
See if this helps.
I'm gonna pop that end up. There you go. Alright.
Should work, right? I'm sure their thing's probably like good six, 8 inches.
Ceiling fan, so.
Yeah. Some of them have pretty bulk, like,
Yeah.
I don't know how big the base is.
For 90s alternative.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Falling, falling. There you go.
Oh, we're gonna need more of them too, ain't we?
Was this the last box?
Yep.
No.
Yep.
Come on now.
Yeah. Now we gotta keep it 28.5 all the way across.
Gotta keep it on 28.5 all the way.
That's right.
Oh, hopefully that works out. $95 3/4.
I was gonna say that too.
No, you weren't.
I was.
Yeah, and I was gonna say you're a good person.
Ah!
I was.
I am a good person.
Yeah, that's why I was gonna say it. 96 1/4. Oh, look at that. We got this far. Oh yeah, never mind. I got it. I was about to measure it and forgot we got it. I wonder if he's done for the day.
Oh, is he gone?
Yeah.
You left the door open?
Oh, no, it might be closed. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's open. No, he might be coming back because it might be set up still up, but there. Might be set up still out up there.
Huh?
Oh, no, he's coming back. His stuff is still set up out there. Alright, I gotta raise this up.
What'd you do, Ricky?
I went down and it was supposed to go up. Whew, all right.
That's too tight.
Clean up time. Don't forget to subscribe. We're always doing something. Or at least I am. Good morning. We are back over here. Gonna check on the newer things that have been done here. Yesterday they came in and put the countertops. So I got the flooring in here done. Cabinet, countertops, sink. See, the floor's been done in here. Some cabinets. I think there was an issue with this countertop. Baseboard's been put in. I just got a caulk and putty. Alright, these were put in yesterday. Looking good. That's what me and Josh will be working on. We are going to stay a little back just to stay away so the painter can paint what he's got to paint. These are custom shelves by Mike. There's an access panel to plumbing underneath the steps. This was started. They still have a ways to go. They did do this floor in here, which is where they stopped doing this. And then they started working on the floors so that we can get the cabinets and the countertops on. More shelves, custom shelves, the trim work, put a light in there. That's pretty cool. Oh, have they done anything in the shower? Nope, not yet. So they continued countertop into the shower, which almost looks like it goes up there. It could be an illusion. They cut to fit everything and they have to remove it, put it back down. You see the one upstairs? Mm-mm. Well, they got the countertop that goes into the shower, and then it goes down into the the shower entryway.
Oh wow!
And it goes over that way, then it goes down over here. And
oh, cool.
It kind of looks like it's been like a patch there, like it's not hidden very well. I guess it's not getting
glass over it.
Probably gonna be a full house again today. Should be the tile guys. There's Mike. The homeowner's here. He'll be around. Morning.
What's going on, buddy?
What?
Make more videos for us?
Here and there.
These are the dark ones.
These are the darker ones,
Yep.
so try to pick for the lightest ones first.
Yep, I might, stack these on so they're out of the way.
And then
I think we have more than we need.
I do
saved.
too. I do too.
Yeah.
Because I think there's 58 boards here, so we should have like way more. I just stained them up because I didn't want to have to.
I'm going to definitely try to use the ones that are the longest. And obviously we'll save these ones for the end.
Yeah. But the light, these are the darkest ones, and the light ones are over there.
Yep. You got a lot of YouTube shorts, I know.
Yeah. How do you know?
I've been looking at them.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh. What is this? So this delivery's for us?
Huh?
ABC?
Yeah, that's the siding.
There's a fair amount of it though.
It looks like it's already curling. Like
No,
twisted and
know.
going.
they're not straight.
Almost looks discolored on top. I wonder how long this has been sitting.
Trying to figure out where to put this.
If you want to
Get in
move this
that
blue
muffin.
truck,
Get
I can
up
put it
there.
closer to the house. You just drop
Yeah.
it and cut it open, and then
Yep, let's do
one
it
at a
that
time.
way.
It's not that many pieces.
No, I think you're right.
Oh, scratch it. So that delivery is to wrap this beam and these posts. And that's going to be something I believe is going to get worked on today. If not, it'll be next week. So basically we have here 18. So what we're going to have is here 18. So we'll have a 2-inch piece. He's got his own now. Look at that. Finally, after all this time,
Finally got him to do it.
the one recording is getting recorded. Look at that. You gotta outdo me every time. You got an 8, I got a 10.
What was our next measurement?
Next measurement was whatever I'm gonna measure. We're running a TV show here. And action! Comes in handy for sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sandwiches! Now you hit my face.
How resilient are those cameras?
Well, like mine's got a crack in it.
Oh really?
Well, on the back, yeah.
Oh.
On the back screen. Oh yeah, there you go. All right. You stay on. Hey there.
Really don't know what to say, except go up this ticket and perhaps a bit fail.
Next row we're gonna make them all a little bit shorter so I can use up some of these.
Okay, we can do that. We sure can do that. This is Burger King. Well, how about your way?
Right.
Burger King actually sounds good right now. Did I ask for that?
Yes, you did.
Oh, okay. $41 and an 8.
41 and an 8.
Yes. You're doing a good job.
Thanks.
Okay, all right.
This one? all right.
You can forget about all that good talk.
You got that?
I got it. There it is.
All right, good job.
Nailed it.
Nail it.
Last one.
Good job.
See this one.
What? He said just taking video, dude.
Just watching.
Yeah, like you always do.
Or a gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo job board. But then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free.
It looks like it. And I think it is. I think you might be right.
I think so too.
I mean, look at that.
Kind of awesome.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, brand new full tube.
Oh, that's perfect.
Can't take this guy anywhere.
That's the one to knock over. Oh, this one's for the one in there.
Oh yeah, no, this was for in the laundry room.
What about this one?
Whatever, it's already used now. They were already fit.
Well, you want the tops to be covered now.
So that one might have been for the kitchen cabinets all over here.
Well, these ones we got fit perfectly.
Yeah, that's for those ones. Yep.
I'm just trying to, before you didn't have the top.
Right. Is there a razor blade?
Not see any razor blades.
There's no flat blade on here. Okay. No, there's nothing.
There we go. Here we go. Very nice. This like that.
Oh yeah.
So there was one there.
That's it for today. We just went to another job, picked up some trash. Now we're heading to a dumpster to dump the trash, and that's going to finish off our day for today. I'm actually following behind Josh right now. Oh, some trash flying out. Oh, he's flying trash out. Trash is flying out. Alright, we gotta go pick that up. My goodness.
This is how it's done, bud.